Hey gardeners, my name is Michael Shorts, a Colorado master gardener located in the magnificent Front Range. In this video, I will show you when and how to plant spring flowering bulbs. Here's a spoiler, the when is not while there is snow on the ground. Spring flowering bulbs are a great way to add early color to your Colorado garden. Bulbs like daffodils, tulips, hyacinth, and many others are planted in October and November. However, many retailers sell bulbs as early as August. Store these bulbs in a cool, dark place until you are ready to plant. I planted my bulbs before this snow. Let me show you how I did it. I'm going to add 50 daffodils to this flower bed. I waited until the first hard frost killed all of the annuals. After removing the annuals, now I'm going to amend the soil. The soil here is pretty good. I've been tilling and fertilizing this soil for about 5 years. So I'm going to add some fertilizer, and then I'm going to add about a ½ inch of manure. Now I'm going to use manure because it breaks down in the soil and adds nitrogen to the soil. But you have to be careful. If you have a bed that you have not added organic amendments before, you might want to use something different than steer manure. It has a high urea content, and high amounts of manure can be harmful to your plants. I'm going to spread the fertilizer, spread the manure, and then I'm going to work it in with this spading fork. I've got two bulb planting tools that I like to use. I have this fancy one that can dig in and take a hole of soil out, or I've got this Japanese planting knife that actually has a scale on it to tell you how deep the hole is. Now when you plant your bulbs, the package will tell you how deep the bulb needs to be planted. I'm going to be planting daffodils, and they need to be planted 6 inches deep. The process is simple. Dig a hole. Place your bulb with the root side down, and then fill your hole. Or with this tool, dig a hole, place your bulb root side down, fill the hole. Now I've got 48 more of these to plant, so I'll come back later and we can summarize. Okay. So I got a little carried away and I planted 100 daffodils instead of the 50 that I meant to. I didn't water the bulbs after I planted them. There was plenty of moisture in the soil, the bulbs are dormant, and they will get plenty of natural water over the winter. If you like this kind of gardening content, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and plant some bulbs for happy gardening.